Say, yesterday, Selenium ID test script problem, recording problem, environment issue, observe. After installation, you can get Selenium IDE icon. Otherwise, you can launch Selenium from developer. Here, Selenium IDE is there. Here, you can get icon after installation. Launch Selenium IDE. Next, record, generate the test script. Suppose launch gcrit.com build 3 admin, enter username admin, enter password admin at 123, click login button. Next, verification point, check the existence of log off link. See, place mouse pointer on desk on this page. Here, show all available commands. Show all available commands. Okay, just a minute. You select log off link and right click, show all available commands. Now observe Praveen Rao. Here verify element present link command is there now.
Yes, sir.
Verify element present. Otherwise you can use assert element present link. Yesterday I explained difference between assert and verify. Both are for verification only. Suppose I am selecting verify element present link, log off. Next, observe the test script, stop recording, put base state, required state for running the test. Next, run. Here observe, play current test case. Otherwise go to action menu, play current test case. Okay, play current test case. Observe Praveen Rao, bottom test log is there na? Test log. Passed na? Passed. Okay. Otherwise, if you know the syntax, you can generate test script manually. See, select new test case. First, select first line command. Command open target. Open that gcr.it.com build 3. it.com build 3 admin. You select this folder, subfolder page. Here base URL, set base URL domain. Here target this page. Next, type name. We already inspected that elements in Selenium WebDriver chapter. Name locator available. Name equal to. Otherwise inspect. Just a minute. Name equal to username. Password equal name. For password also name locator available. Password. Next, login button. ID equal to TDB1. Name equal to username. Next, value admin. Next, select next line, type. Next, name equal to password. Next, value admin at 123. Next, select next line, click and wait. Next, ID equal to TDB1 TDB1. Next, verification point. Can you remember that verification point, Praveen Rao? Verification point command.
No, sir.
Suleiman, what is that command? Verify
Verify.
element present. Verify element present or assert element present. Next, link equal to log off. Link equal to log off. Okay. See, this time we created test script manually. Run the program, run the test script, observe the log. Pradvipal, what is that? What is the result?
Passed. Test case passed.
See, you can record the navigation. Otherwise, you can type test script if you know the syntax. Next, step-by-step execution. See, in order to locate errors, you can use step-by-step execution. How? See, select first statement or any required statement. Go to actions menu, toggle breakpoint. Just a minute, put base state. Base state. Next, play current test case. Play current test case. Next, this one. Step is there now. Step command. Click this one. One step executed. One step. Next, second step. Next, third step. Password entered. Next, fourth step. Click login button. Observe the log. Up to fourth step only. Click and wait. ID equal to TDB1. Observe the bottom. Test log. Next, observe. Verification point executed. Test case passed. Okay na? Praveen Rao, did you observe this one?
Yes, sir.
Next, insert. Just a minute. Insert comments. Suppose I want to write first line as comment. Select this line. Next, go to edit menu. Insert new comment. Here in command line, write comment. Admin login functionality. Admin login functionality. Enough. Comment. Just a minute. Run the program. Run the test script. What is the problem? Executed now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just a minute. Close this one. Santosh, guide me. I want to create two test cases. One is observe. Selenium IDE test cases. You can record, say, record or type test script manually. If you know the syntax, type test script manually. See, first test case 1, verify Gmail link in Google homepage. Next, test case 2, verify admin login functionality. In GCR shop web portal. Guide me, Santosh. First
Yeah.
launch Mozilla Firefox browser. Next, guide me.
Go to developer, take
Developer. Otherwise, yesterday some environment issue. Today it is working properly.
Okay.
Yesterday environment
Click
issue. After installation, you can get this Selenium IDE icon. Observe this icon. Can you view this icon?
Yeah.
Right side top. Otherwise, go to developer. Here Selenium IDE is there. Okay.
Yeah.
Launch Selenium IDE. Next,
Put base.
if required, you can configure this one. Next, this one.
Record button.
First, suppose I am taking new test case. No base URL. Okay. Select record. Next,
Select Google.
Google homepage. Next, verify Gmail existence.
Email.
Select
Right-click.
Gmail and right click.
Right-click.
Show all available commands.
commands.
Here observe. Verify element present link equal to Gmail. Select this one. Next, stop recording. Next, put base state, application under base state. Base state means required state for running the test. Okay, base state, this is base state. Next, run the test script. Observe test log blank. Run the test case. Observe what is the output.
Passed.
Test case passed. Okay, clear the log. Next, select new test case. Generate test script for admin login functionality. Guide me.
Open
First,
GCR shop.
select record mode.
Select record mode.
It is new test case. Select record mode. Then launch gcrit.com admin interface. Next, enter username.
Password.
Next, enter password. Admin
Login.
at 1, 2, 3. Next, click login. After login, log off link available. Select log off link. Right click. Show all available commands.
Verify.
Next, verify. Just a minute. Verify element present link. Verify element present. That is command. Command is verify element present. Link equal to log off. That is element and element locator and value. Okay. Next, Stop recording. Next, put base state.
Put base state.
Log off. This is the base state.
Run the test case.
Run the test case. Play current test case. Observe test log blank. Observe the output bottom.
Test case passed.
Test case passed. Okay. Next, put base state. Run the test case step by step. Instead of at a time execution, means continuous execution, step by step. Suppose in order to locate errors, we conduct step by step execution.
Actions. Select one step.
First select first statement or middle statement also. Suppose if you want to execute second half of if you want to execute last 10 lines or last 2 lines or last 5 lines step by step, then you can select that statement. See, you can execute entire test script step by step or part of the test script step by step. Okay, suppose I'm selecting first statement. Continue.
Actions. Toggle breakpoint.
Next,
then
play current
test case.
Next, observe the step command enabled. You run the you select the step command. Next once again observe username entered now. Next once again password entered. Next login button click. Observe the test log up to log click and wait id equal to tdb1 only now. Next select one more time, then verification point will be executed. Now test passed now. This is about step by step execution. Next, suppose I want to remove breakpoint action. Select once again toggle breakpoint removed. Next, I want to insert comment. First line as comment. Select first line. Go to
first line. Actions.
Or edit.
Edit
menu. Insert new comment. In command, observe command in command edit box is there now. There you type. Admin login functionality. Remove. Next, run the test case. It will execute. See, clear the test log. Run. Executed now. Test case passed now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, insert new command means new line. Suppose before click and wait, I want to insert one more statement or step or command. Select that statement.
Select the statement. Edit.
Edit. Insert new
command.
Here you can type that command. Suppose any command like. Okay na? Next. Okay. Next, Prithvipal. Instead of recording, type the test script. Same admin login functionality. Type the test script.
Yes, sir.
First,
sir.
Suppose no, this is blank. Just a minute. Launch one. Launch. Now type the test script for admin login functionality without recording.
Command.
Pardon?
Yes, sir. First we have to
set
the base URL.
Base URL. Suppose base URL is gsharit.com. If you record, then it will set that base URL automatically. Otherwise, if it is manual test script generation, you select. Next, select first line. Select first line. In
Name.
command aid box, type open.
Name. Open.
Open is command. Next, target. Target that page. Domain
Yes,
not
sir.
required. Build 3 is folder. Admin is subfolder. Login.php is page.
Page.
Okay. Enter in target. Next, select second line. Command.
Name. We have
Type.
command name. Type.
Next, target.
Name.
For that username aid box, name locator available. Name equal
Name.
to
Username.
username. Next, value.
Value is equal
Admin.
to, I think, admin.
Next, select next line.
To
Again, type. Next,
name.
target. Name equal
Target
to
name.
password.
And the password value.
Value equal to, just a minute, admin at
Admin
1,
at 1
2,
to
3.
3.
Next, select next line. Command. Click and wait.
Click and wait.
Click and wait. Target is
Target.
ID equal
Login.
to that
ID.
login button. TDB1.
TDB1.
Otherwise, you can inspect. No value. Next, select next line. See, normal steps over. Next, verification point. I want to check
Yes,
that
sir.
log off link present. See, command is
Verify. Command
verify element. Type E capital
element present. Element
or
present.
assert. Verify element present or assert element
Assert.
present. You select this verify element present. Next, target
Log.
link equal to
Link to log off.
log off. Okay. We created the test script without recording. Next, run the test script. Put base state. Okay, application in base state only. Run the test case. Button TDB1. What is the problem?
TDB1.
Check and wait.
Pardon?
Okay.
It's click and wait, right?
Okay. Observe
Click and wait. Yes, sir. Check.
command problem. We
Yes, sir.
selected incorrect command.
Typing
Okay.
mistake.
Select that statement. Edit
Yes, sir.
test script. Edit. Select the statement.
Yes, sir.
Change the command. Click
And
and
wait.
wait. Okay, na? Now
Yes, sir.
clear the test log. Next, set base state. See, otherwise, suppose if you are selecting google.com also, we set base URL, it will launch that page. Okay.
Okay.
Run the test case. Executed now.
Yes, sir.
Observe. Test case passed. Test log. Last line. Okay, now.
Test case passed.
Test case passed. Okay. See, this is about creating test cases in Selenium IDE. You try to automate our Selenium WebDriver. You try to convert Selenium WebDriver test cases as Selenium IDE cases. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Okay. See, next come to next topic. Important one. Just a minute. All of you put mute. Somebody's making noise. Avoid that one. All of you put mute. See. See, introduction to TestNG framework. First chapter index. First topic. Introduction to TestNG. Next, install TestNG and write first TestNG test case. Install TestNG and write first TestNG test case. First TestNG test case. Next, create multiple test cases and run. Create multiple test cases and run. Today we are going to discuss these 3 topics. Total 8 topics in this chapter. Executing multiple programs using XML. Next, grouping test cases. Next, data driven testing. Next, parallel test execution concepts are there. Today I am going to explain these 3 topics. Okay. First, take introduction to TestNG. Have any idea, Praveen Rao, what is TestNG? Here NG stands for next generation. What is TestNG?
TestNG is a powerful framework that is generating your reports.
Okay, it is a testing framework. Okay, na?
Testing. Yes, sir.
Say TestNG. Before that, one small introduction. In Selenium, using Java, there are 2 frameworks available. One is JUnit, another is TestNG. JUnit is old one. TestNG inspired by JUnit and added some new functionalities. See, JUnit, TestNG both are similar, but TestNG is powerful framework than JUnit. Observe one more point, Pradvipal. This framework support is depends on development platform, depends on programming platform. Framework selection or support depends on programming platform. Suppose if we choose Java, then supporting frameworks are either JUnit or TestNG. Suppose if we select .NET, then NUnit. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
See, in Selenium, using Java, there are 2 frameworks. There are 2 frameworks. Testing frameworks. Testing frameworks available. One is JUnit. Another is TestNG. Both are open source only. Okay. In our training program, we will discuss TestNG. It is an advanced one. Come to TestNG framework. JUnit also similar. TestNG. Testing framework. See, what is TestNG? TestNG is a testing framework designed to simplify a broad range of testing activities from unit testing to system testing. See, actually it is created for unit testing, now used for all kinds of testing. System testing, integration testing, unit testing. See, next, TestNG is open source framework where NG stands for next generation. Next, TestNG inspired from JUnit and NUnit, but introduced some new functionalities that make it more powerful and easy to use. See, TestNG. TestNG is a testing framework. Testing framework designed to simplify a broad range of testing activities from unit testing. See, developers use TestNG for unit testing. Just a minute. From unit testing to system testing. Our usage is system testing level. Next, TestNG initially developed by initially developed for unit testing, developed for unit testing, unit testing. Now used for all kinds of testing, used for all kinds of testing. Next, TestNG is an open source framework. See, in our test automation using Selenium, we use all open source software. Java open source, Eclipse IDE open source, TestNG open source, Selenium open source. See, TestNG is an open source framework where NG stands for, just a minute, where NG stands for next generation. Next, TestNG inspired from JUnit. TestNG inspired from JUnit, Java platform, and NUnit, .NET platform. But introduced some new functionalities, that make it more powerful, Okay, this is a brief introduction about TestNG framework. Next, advantage of TestNG framework. Santosh, just a minute. Advantages of TestNG framework in Selenium automation. Test automation using Selenium. Tell me the advantages.
Using TestNG, you can group the test cases,
Grouping test cases.
prioritize test cases,
Yes, good. Prioritizing test cases.
do parallel execution,
Parallel test
Okay.
execution possible.
generate test reports.
Yes, that is important one. Generating test reports. Say, Selenium WebDriver doesn't have built-in result reporting facility now.
Yeah.
Using TestNG, we can avoid that limitation. We can overcome that problem. See, observe. TestNG. Footnote. TestNG annotations. TestNG annotations are easy to create test cases. Easy to create test cases. Next, test cases can be grouped and prioritized more easily. Test cases can be grouped and prioritized more easily. Next, executing test batches supports parameterization. We use parameterization feature for data-driven testing. Next, execute test batches. Multiple test cases and multiple programs also. Multiple programs. Observe Praveen Rao. Multiple test cases, okay. I think in Selenium WebDriver also we created and executed multiple test cases, na?
Yes, sir.
Multiple test cases, okay. Write multiple test cases in a program and execute. What about multiple programs? Executing multiple Java programs. See, up to now we are executing one program at a time, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
One Java program at a time. Using TestNG, we can execute multiple programs at a time. At a time means continuous execution without user interaction. Observe Prithvipal. Suppose we created
Yes,
4
sir.
Java classes programs. Each Java program having 10 test cases. 4 into 10, 40 test cases. Suppose if you want to execute all 40 test cases continuously, you can execute. It supports executing multiple programs. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Find the difference between multiple test cases and multiple programs. Any confusion?
Yes, sir. No, sir. Multiple program means like more than one class.
More than one class. Good. Okay. See, using XML file, we can execute multiple programs. Okay, that we will discuss in the next class. Next, generate parallel test execution. Parallel test execution. Next, important one, generate test reports. Generate HTML test reports. Generate test reports. See, these are the advantages of TestNG. Next, come to second point. What is that one? Install TestNG and write first TestNG test case. Install TestNG and write first TestNG test case. Okay. How to install? First, observe the steps, then we will install. In Eclipse IDE, in Eclipse IDE, first go to help menu, next observe Praveen Rao, observe the navigation, then you have to guide me. Install new software, select this item, next click add, next enter name as TestNG, enter name as TestNG, next you need to remember this URL, enter URL as http:// beust.com, beust.com/eclipse. See, this is the URL, source for TestNG software. Next, select TestNG, next accept the agreement, next finish. Okay. Install. Guide me Praveen Rao, launch Eclipse IDE. Okay. Next.
Help menu.
Help menu. Go to help menu.
Install new software.
Next here, click add button. Type name as TestNG. Next URL http next beust.com/eclipse. Okay na? Next click OK button. TestNG populated na? Select TestNG. Next bottom, next button is there. Next, click next. See, now it is connecting to that website. Okay na? Click next. Accept the agreement. Click finish. See, installing. Just a minute. Installing. See, TestNG also having verification commands. Okay. Okay. And next, restart. Restart. Restart Eclipse. So it is restarting. Okay. Next, observe Santosh. Write first TestNG test case. By write and execute TestNG test case, you can verify the environment setup now.
Yeah.
See, write first TestNG test case means verify the TestNG environment. Say I am taking one simple test case. Observe manual test case. Verify the title of Gmail homepage. Verify the title of, all of you put mute, title of Gmail homepage. Next, test steps. Launch the browser. Next, navigate to gmail.com. Observe Pradvipal, we can't use TestNG or JUnit with Selenium IDE, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Only with Selenium WebDriver. Why we can't use with the Selenium IDE? Selenium IDE doesn't support programming now.
Programming. Yes, sir.
That's why we can't use testing frameworks with Selenium IDE. Only with the Selenium WebDriver. These are the normal statements. Just a minute. Google Gmail. Next, verification point. Capture the page title and compare with expected. Capture the page title and compare with expected. Next, input data not applicable. For this test case, no input data. Next, expected. Just a minute, launch Gmail home. Observe, title is Gmail, left side top. Otherwise, you can view page source. Next, Control F, search. Suppose title. What is the title? Santosh, what is the title? Gmail. Otherwise, this one, just place mouse pointer on top of the page. It is showing Gmail. Okay. Expected Gmail. Next, actual after execution, during execution. See, we prepare expected before test case execution, actual during execution. Next, status, test case status after execution, pass or fail. This is manual test case. Next, TestNG test case for the same. TestNG test case. TestNG test case. Eclipse IDE. Just a minute. Create a Java class. New class. Suppose verify title. No main method for TestNG programs. Okay. Next, here we use annotations. Here everything is method. We write test case as a method. Test annotation. @ follow the syntax. @test. Java method syntax. Here every test case is one method. Public, all of you put mute. Void verify title, open and close parenthesis. Next, open curly braces. Next, import TestNG. Observe, Pradvipal, don't import from JUnit.
Yes, sir.
It is showing import test org.junit, import test org TestNG annotations, TestNG imported. Next, write the test case. WebDriver driver equals to new Firefox driver, open and close parenthesis, semicolon. Next, import WebDriver library. Next, import Firefox Next, get driver dot get, place the URL, enter the URL gmail.com. gmail.com. Next, capture the page title, string page title equals to driver dot get title semicolon. Next, here don't use Java verification point, Java flow control. Observe Pradvipal, don't use
Yes, sir.
Java
Java.
flow control statements for verification
Assert,
points. Use
assert method.
testng assert methods. Why? If we use testng assertion methods, then testng can provide test result. If we use programming features, it is not able to provide test result. Use assertion methods. Say assert is built-in library dot assert equals of say observe testng assert imported na. Next, actual expected. Actual, what is actual?
Sir, gmail.com.
Page title, we are capturing
Page.com.
page title na.
Yes, sir.
This is actual. Next, expected. Gmail is expected. Okay. Next, driver dot close. Okay. This
So
is,
assert is the import from
pardon?
the assert methods we have to import from testng, right, sir?
Yes.
Or
testng.
you need
Observe the statement. Fifth line.
okay, sir.
Assert
Yes, I got
library.
it, sir.
Assert library imported.
org.testng.
org.testng. Assert is built-in class. This assert equals is method. Okay. Next, run the test case. This is testng test case. Testng test case. Run. See testng running. Is the problem? Just a minute. Run the test case once again. What is the problem, Pradvipal? Failure. Oh, not responding quickly. Just a minute. You save this test case. Relaunch. Restart. You select the TestNG test case, run. Observe launching. Just launching. Any problem? Just a minute. Environment issue.
The, the, uh,
What is the problem? Not connected exception. Firefox unable to connect a host.
so the URL the right? So correct URL?
URL is
Different
okay, but Firefox browser not responding properly. That is the environment issue. You try to use another browser. See, Firefox browser not responding properly in my machine. This is the environment issue, not the test script issue. It is not the test script issue. Launch Chrome browser instead of Firefox. Tell me.
We have to set property.
System dot set property. Next, WebDriver.
The path, sir.
Just path.
Chrome.driver.
Dot Chrome
.driver.
dot driver, comma, path of the Chrome driver executable file. See, in my machine, Chrome driver available in E drive. Chrome driver dot exe, semicolon. Next, create Chrome driver. Chrome. Import Chrome driver library. Okay. Now run the program. Observe. Executed na.
Yes, sir.
Earlier browser issue na. Browser not responding properly. Observe. Total test runs 1. Failures 0. What is that output? We used assert. Observe. Passed. Passed na. Status of the result.
Yes, sir.
Passed. We didn't define this result. TestNG providing this result. Okay. Next, view that HTML report. HTML report. Observe Pradipal. Select
Yes, sir.
project and refresh. Observe left side bottom. Refresh. What happened? Left side
Test output.
test output folder. Test output folder generated na.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Open this folder here.
Index HTML.
Index HTML. Next, emailable report also available. Open this index HTML. Open with web browser HTML report. Providing HTML report now. Next, emailable report. Say you can copy this report. Just copy. Place on computer hard disk. Observe. You can attach this this emailable report with defect report also. Open this one, emailable report. Okay, now Praveen Rao, are you following?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, just a minute. See, this is test-ng test case. Observe Pradvipal in this
Yes, sir.
test case, in this test-ng test case, no main method not used for test-ng programs, main method only for Java programs. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Here observe @test. It is test-ng annotation. Okay, and we followed Java method syntax. Next, here observe Praveen Rao, WebDriver contribution is there, Java contribution is there, next test-ng contribution also there. This annotation belongs to test-ng. Next, this 16th line,
That is
test-ng.
test-ng only. Next, 13th line,
WebDriver. Selenium WebDriver.
14th line,
Selenium WebDriver.
WebDriver. Next, 15th line,
String or page title. WebDriver.
what about string page title?
Java.
Java and WebDriver, isn't it?
Java and Web. Yes, sir.
See, the the string syntax belongs to Java. Next, driver.getTitle. This is getTitle is WebDriver command. Okay, na? See, in this test case, we used WebDriver, Java, and test-ng, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
See, just copy this one. Test-ng test case. Next, note. Just a minute. Note. See, main method is not used for test-ng programs. See, main method. See, purpose of the main method. What is the purpose of main method? It starts the program execution, isn't it? But here, test-ng can start the test-ng annotations can start the program execution. No main method required. First of all, it won't allow. If you use main method, syntax error. Main method is not used for test-ng program. Next, test-ng program contains only methods that contain test annotations. Test-ng program contains only methods. Here we use Java syntax. Only methods that contain @test annotations. Next, if we don't write @test annotation, then the method is not going to be executed. See, if you don't write @test annotation, then the method is not going to be executed. executed.
क्या
हाँ
इंटरव्यू चल रहा है अभी?
next write come to third topic. Okay now Santosh, we discussed two topics. First topic, introduction to introduction to TestNG framework. Next, install TestNG and write first TestNG program. Means verify TestNG environment. Okay na? Praveen Rao.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next topic, create multiple test cases and run. Create multiple test cases and run. Okay. Here, just I am using some dummy test cases. We can use real test cases also. The next session, we will use real test cases. In this example, only dummy test cases. Okay, just to check the TestNG functionality, I'm using dummy test cases for quick execution. Okay, my first example, write multiple test cases. Create a Java class. Suppose some ABCD, no main method. Okay. At the rate test, suppose public void verify title, open curly braces. Next, assert dot, just a dummy test case, assert equals E capital equals of, say, TestNG imported, automatically imported. Suppose Gmail, Gmail. Import test annotation from TestNG. Next, one more test case. Create one more method using test annotation. Suppose one more. Suppose in this program, 3 test cases. Change the name. Suppose ABCD, ABCDE. Next, last test case, XYZ. Suppose Yahoo, ABCD. In this TestNG program, we have 3 test cases. Every method with test annotation. What is the test case execution flow as per program? See, observe. Test case execution flow as per program sequence. 1. Observe Praveen Rao, test execution flow. First verify title na.
Yes, sir.
Second one A, B, C, D, E. Third one X, Y, Z. First this one. Second test case A, B, C, D, E. Third test case X, Y, Z. This is test case execution flow. Run the program. Test case run one. Only verify title. Why it is running only one? Run the program once again. Observe. Observe Prithvipal. How many total tests run? Total tests run.
3.
3. 3 passed na. Status of the result. Passed. What is the execution flow? First A, B, C, D, E. Next verify title. Next X, Y, Z. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
See, it executes alphabetically. See, execution flow. First one A, B, C, D, E. Next verify title. Next X, Y, Z. See, executed now this program. To take this one. This is the example. Just a minute. Test case execution flow. Next, execution flow, real execution flow. Next, note. TestNG test cases are executed in alphabetical order. See, TestNG test cases are executed alphabetical order. Okay. Next, if you want to control the test execution process, then use priority attribute. Test @test is annotation. Priority is attribute. See, if you want to control the test execution process, then use priority. Don't use double quotes in a program, just for understanding purpose. Priority attribute. Okay. See, another attribute also there. We will discuss one by one. Now, I want to execute my required flow is first verify title only, next ABCD, next XYZ. As per program flow only, I want to execute. Just run the program once again. Alphabetical order. First ABCD, next verify title, next XYZ. But I want program flow only. As per program, first verify title, next ABCD, last XYZ. use priority. At the rate test of means open bracket, priority equals to 1. Priority equals to 1. Next, priority equals to 2. Next, priority equal to 3. I want first verify title, next ABCD, next XYZ as per test flow only, program flow only. But if you don't use priorities, what will happen? As per alphabetical order, method names. First ABCDE, second verify title, third one XYZ. Run the program. Environmental issue. Run the program once again. Run. Total test runs 3. Observe Santosh. First verify title. Next ABCD. Next XYZ na.
Yes, sir.
Any confusion? Ask me.
No, I don't have.
Okay. See.
Sir, we cannot use for loop also in the TestNG programs.
Yes, you can use for loops if required. You can use conditions also if required.
Okay.
You can use all Java programming features in TestNG programs. But if we use flow control for verification points, then TestNG not able to provide test result.
Okay.
Who is asking that question?
Santosh,
you can use all Java programming features in TestNG programs. But for verification points, use TestNG assertion methods. Okay, na?
Okay.
Yes, you can use flow control. If required, you can use. No issue. Good question. Next, this is using priority. Using priority attribute. Using priority attribute. Controlling the test execution process. Control the test execution process. Okay. Say instead of assertion, this time I will use another one. Just a minute. Verify page title. Just Java display statement I am using. It can display in output console, but TestNG reports it's not able to provide a report for Java statements. Suppose SYSO control space enter. Suppose just a minute. First test case login. I remove these priorities. Later we will use. Suppose login successful. Next, log out. Log out. Log out successful. Log out successful. Next, suppose search. 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 Search successful. Search successful. Next, advanced search. Advanced search. Advanced search successful. Suppose in this program 4 test cases: login, search, advanced search, and log out. Login, search, advanced search, and log out. 4 test cases. Run the program. It will execute in alphabetical order. Alphabetical order. Run the program. Total test runs 4. Total test runs 4. See, observe, Santosh, it is showing Java statement separately now.
Yes, sir.
See, advanced search successful. Login, log out. This is not the correct order now.
Yeah.
I want first login, next search, next advanced search, next last one log out. Guide me, Santosh.
Yeah. Test
First one
login.
priority
Priority is equal to 1.
priority equal to 1.
1.
Next,
Search. Next one.
second one log out, priority 4.
4.
Next, search,
2.
suppose 2. Next,
3.
advanced search 3. This time first login, next search, next advanced search, last log out. Run the program. Total test runs 4. Observe, login, search, advanced search, log out. Okay na?
Yeah.
Just a minute. Just a minute. Copy this one. Next, another annotation also there. Another annotation, that is depends on another attribute, not annotation. Using depends on methods attribute. Using depends on methods attribute also we can control the test execution process. See, using depends on O capital, methods M capital, depends on methods attribute. Okay. First test case, login, leave it. Next, search depends on Pradipal. Search depends on methods.
Login.
depends on methods equal to depends on method equal to, observe the syntax, Praveen Rao, curly braces within double quotes login, close curly braces and close parenthesis. Say first, for login we didn't use any attribute, login first, no dependency for login. Next, for search, depends on methods login. Next, advanced search, just a minute, advanced search. For advanced search, Praveen Rao, for advanced search depends on method search. Next, for logout, advanced search na?
Yes, sir.
Advanced search. Are you following, Praveen Rao? First login.
Yes, sir.
For login, no depends on methods. Next, for search, login is depends on methods. For advanced search, search. For logout, advanced search. Run the program. See 4 cases. Observe first login, next search, next advanced search, next logout. See, instead of priority attribute, you can use depends on methods attribute. See, one advantage is there. I will show that one. Just a minute. If you use priority, one problem is there. Use priorities for this one. Just a minute. You copy the script. Another. This is ABCD. This test name is ABCD. Okay. Another is there na. Verify title. You copy this code. See, same test cases. Use priority for these test cases. Priorities. Just a minute. First priority login, next priority search, last priority, last one logout. Advanced search, then logout. First login. Priority equals to 1. Next, search. Priority equals to 2. Next, advanced search. Priority equal to 3. Next, logout. Priority equal to 4. Observe Santosh. Same test cases. In this program, we used priority attribute. Run the program. Okay. Executed. Login, search, advanced search, and logout. Next, another program. Same test cases, but in this program we used depends on methods attribute. Run the program. 4 tests run. Login, search, advanced search, logout. Last one. Okay na?
Yeah.
Next, suppose in this priority, just a minute. in this one, use one assert. Suppose instead of this one, use assert dot, just a minute, assert dot asset equals of, suppose, ABCD next, just a minute, just a dummy test cases. See, in this ABC TestNG program also use assertion methods. Use assertion methods. Just a minute. Just a dummy test cases. See, in the next session we will use real test cases also. First, to try to understand the concept. Okay. Instead of that output Java output statement, I used a TestNG assertion methods. Run this program. Here we use depends on methods. Run the TestNG program. What is the program name? ABCD. See, login, search. Now no extra statements. Login, search, advanced search, logout. Next, run this priorities. Same output. Observe, login, search, advanced search, logout. Okay. Next, suppose in this priorities one, second test case, third test case, advanced search. Intentionally I am changing the expected. Now what will happen, Prithvipal? This third test case will fail now. Santosh?
It will abort the test case.
Observe. Run the program. Failures 1. Failures 1. See, login, search, logout executed. Failures 1. Okay. Just a minute. Suppose this is ABCD. Second one, XYZ. Observe the program. Login, advanced search, logout. Search failed. One problem is there in this execution. Can you identify that problem? Santosh? Search failed. Advanced search executed, logout executed. Suppose if any dependency is there in between search and advanced search, then problem na?
Yeah.
here no dependency. Suppose if any dependency is there, just a minute, I will show one more. Suppose this one, okay, A, B, C, D. Suppose login is there, login compulsory X, Y, Z. Run the program. Observe 4 test runs, failure 1, no skips. Here what happened? Login failed na,
Login failed.
but it executed remaining cases na. These are dummy cases.
Yeah.
If it is a real cases, what will happen? If login fails, next cases won't be executed na.
Yeah.
But it is showing passed. Say one problem is there. If any dependency is there, functionality dependency is there, problem with priority. What about this depends on methods? Suppose here, observe, suppose second test case. What is the second one? Search failed. Suppose assume all these are dependent test cases. Login, search, advanced search, logout. All are dependent test cases. Suppose search will fail, then what will happen? Run the program. Observe what happened. Failures 1, skips 2 na.
Yeah.
Observe. Here, login passed. Next, search failed. Search failed. Then, advanced sketch skipped na.
Yeah.
Next, logout also skipped.
Skip.
Okay.
Yeah.
Skips. Just a minute. Next.
Sir, sir, I have a question. The Selenium ID, the assert is when you use
That is
assert
different. That assert
that is
command.
different. Okay.
It is IDE commands, built-in commands. That is different. TestNG assert different. Name only. See that
Okay.
that English language only, but
Okay.
internal code entire different.
Different. Okay. Yeah.
Observe here in this scenario, which one is useful? Priority or depends on methods?
Depends on what.
Depends on methods. If you use priority, what will happen? If any functionality dependency is there, then blindly it will execute. But if it is depends on methods, it checks the every method execution. Suppose if depends on method fails, it won't execute next test case, isn't it?
Yeah.
And one more thing, suppose we are using depends on methods, but no functionality dependency. Otherwise, observe, login will pass. Next, search will fail. Then what will happen? Just a minute. Observe this concept. Suppose login, search, advanced search, next logout. These are the test cases. Suppose login pass, search pass. In this scenario, this one pass, logout pass. No issue. Suppose another scenario. Suppose login pass, search fail. Then what will happen?
You can skip.
It
advanced
skip
and,
remaining cases. Okay na?
yeah.
Skip. Suppose my requirement is if search fails, you don't execute advanced search, leave it. Functionality dependency is there, example. But I want log out. My requirement, say, a requirement, this one, login pass, search fail, then definitely remaining cases will be skipped. Suppose skip, but I want log out compulsory. Okay, na? Don't skip.
Yeah.
This is my requirement. Okay, na?
Yeah.
Here you can use one more attribute, always run with depends on methods. Okay, na? Where is
Yeah.
logout? Here, after curly braces close, comma, always run, R capital, equal to true. Now run the program. Observe how many skipped? Only one na.
Yeah.
In previous execution, 2 skips na.
Yeah.
Observe. Here, login passed, logout passed, search failed. Okay, it is showing first passed test cases. But execution sequence is first login, then search, then logout. But it shows passed test cases, next failed test cases. Observe, search failed. This advanced search is skipped na.
Yeah.
But logout
Fast.
executed.
Yeah.
Okay na?
Yeah.
See how to achieve this one. We used one more attribute na. Suppose if you want to run any test case forcibly, then how to run?
Always run. Use
always run attribute. Okay na?
Yeah.
Praveen Rao, are you following?
Sir.
Use always run attribute. See, this is the example. Just a minute. Differentiate these two. Differentiate. Observe. Important one. Note. Put mute. If we use priority attribute, then all test cases can be executed. See, if we use priority attribute, then what will happen? All test cases. Then all test cases can be executed. No skips. But this is not suitable for all scenarios. Next, if we use what is the another one? Depends on methods. Attribute. Then it will skip the test case. Then it will skip the test case whenever depends on methods test case fail. Whenever depends on methods test case fails. Okay na? This one. Next, if you want to execute the test case forcibly, continuation this one. If you want to execute the test case forcibly, then use always run attribute. Next, when to choose priority. See, priority versus depends on methods. Depends on methods. When to choose priority, Praveen Rao? When to choose priority, when to choose depends. One drawback also there in depends on methods. It will skip test cases if any depends on method fail.
Yes, sir.
When we choose priority, see if there is
no dependency.
If there is no functionality dependency, then choose priority attribute. It will execute all test cases. Then choose priority attribute. Next, if there is any functionality dependency, just a minute. If there is any functionality dependency, then choose depends on methods. Depends on methods attribute. Okay, just a minute. Extension scenario 1. Observe, Praveen Rao. Scenario 1. No functionality dependency. No functionality dependency. Then which one is preferable? Priority or depends on methods? Priority. Okay. Use priority attribute. Next, scenario 2. Functionality dependency. Next, use depends on methods. Attribute. Next, scenario 3. Functionality dependency for some test cases only. See, functionality dependency for some test cases only. We don't want to skip all cases. Only some cases only. Then Santosh.
Always.
Use
Always.
First depends on methods. Both combination.
Yeah.
Use depends on methods.
And
and
run.
always
Always.
always run attributes. Okay na?
Yeah.
See next the next class we will create real test cases, some more concepts also there. In this session I introduced only one annotation, @test. So many annotations are there, before test, after test, before class, after class, before method, after method. Next two classes, in next two classes we will discuss remaining concepts. Any queries? Aarti, any queries? Aarti joined late. Suleiman?
No, thank you.
Welcome. Praveen Rao?
No, sir, I'm good. Thank
Okay,
you.
welcome. Santosh, before asking queries, what we discussed today? Okay, we cleared yesterday problem, creating Selenium IDE test cases by recording and by typing test script manually over. Next, in TestNG, we discussed three topics. What are the three topics?
What is TestNG?
First, introduction to TestNG.
Introduction TestNG.
Next,
how to install TestNG.
Install TestNG and write first TestNG test case in order to verify the TestNG environment. Okay. Next, third one. Create multiple test cases and run. We created multiple test cases in a program na?
Yeah.
And we used some attributes also. Priority, depends on methods, and always run. Any queries?
No, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. We'll meet on Monday, same time. Thank you.